We have a boiling water. What's next, Graham?
Lots of salt in it.
What's next?
Shake this in.
We got some pink Himalayan salt. Why are you using that? You don't seem to-
I don't want to use that.
Okay.
That's what's here.
You're just sort of salting
As long as
freely.
you put salt in it, I can judge.
She's a judge. Yeah, just a healthy
3 or 4
amount.
squirts.
3 or 4 squirts that she's continuously squirting.
It's not coming out that fast, that's why. Use your head.
All right. What's next? We're about to put the pasta in now. Let's grab the pasta we got here. What do we got here? Angel hair.
Yes.
Yes. And why did you pick angel hair for tonight's pasta dish?
We're having other foods, and the angel hair is very thin and light.
And it complements the
These meat that we're having.
meatball, sausage, and eggplant rotini. Okay.
And also, what's the other one we have? The beef. Pork butt.
Pork butt. Ooh, sounds great. All right, let's see the technique here.
This is the
Okay, are you just adding that in? She's adding it in full. Okay. And I noticed you don't use any olive oil. That's something that some other
No,
chefs do.
I don't.
Is there a reason behind that?
I don't like the taste of olive oil on my spaghetti.
Okay, good.
It won't burn as long as you watch it.
So we're gonna go for
It's
how
only
long?
about 6 minutes, that's all.
6 minutes.
5
Great.
to 6 minutes.
All right. You doing another box after that?
No, this is just.
This one.
This should be enough.
That should be enough. Okay, great. Pasta boiling 101, the basics with Sally Lamorges. And
Stop saying my